Hello, my name is Jaden Dees, and today I will be showing you our database for this final project. I have our setup instructions set up plainly here. Uh, First, you're going to want to install MySQL if you haven't, create a username and password. You're going to want to run our database setup script. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that and just paste it here. Now it says database and tables created. Next, if you haven't already, you're going to want to install these Python dependencies. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with those. All right, there we go. Then you're gonna want to run the fast API. All right, now that that's completed, we should be able to access the local host. Oh, I didn't have Google open. Sorry about that. And now here is our One Piece database. One Piece is a comic series made in Japan. Has been going on for about 25, 30 years now. As you can see, we have the database with a character. You would include the name, the organization they come from, whether that is a pirate crew or some other business, the country they were born in, their profession, either on their crew or wherever else they may be, any bounty they might have accrued since becoming a pirate, any devil fruit they may have, and you could delete each one of these as well. See, so Blackbeard is gone. He's no longer there. Um, if you go to countries, it has the name of just about each country that we have known about in the series, as well as an ID for each sea they belong in. Here are the here is the list of seas that they could belong in. Organizations, we have a few already. Let me just add one more real quick. I'll add one to professions as well. And as you can see, we have a character count by country. So it lists the country here and how many people in our database are from said country. Now, if we go back to characters, we'll be able to add one of my favorites from this series. He is from this place called Flevence. It already has Doctor there for us. There's his crew. And now he is there. And now that he is there, something interesting, if you go to professions and try to delete the doctor profession, you cannot, because someone in our database has that profession. As you can see, our character count changed as well. There is now Flevence 1 there. Here is our request.http. The reason that we didn't go through this is because, well, it's connected to our API, our GUI, I mean. So, yeah. And I think that would about show it. Thank you.